Welcome back to Tech News Saturdays, the weekly series where we explore the most exciting, innovative, and sometimes mind-boggling advancements in technology. This week, we're diving into 4 incredible stories that show just how fast our tech-driven world is evolving. From robots folding your laundry to the latest in VR, drones transforming the battlefield, and Google's groundbreaking AI, there's so much to unpack. Stick around, because this episode is packed with insights you won't want to miss. 1 robotic laundry assistant, Digit. Imagine a future where folding laundry is no longer a dreaded chore. That future might not be as far off as you think, thanks to Digit, the laundry sorting robot unveiled at the Web Summit. Developed by Agility Robotics, Digit takes the concept of household automation to a whole new level. Unlike the robotic vacuums and mops we've come to know, Digit tackles one of the most time-consuming and repetitive tasks, handling your laundry. Using advanced AI and machine learning, Digit can identify different types of fabrics, sort them accordingly, and fold them with precision. It's a leap forward in domestic robotics that feels like a glimpse into a sci-fi reality. While it's currently in the prototype stage, Agility Robotics envisions a future where robots like Digit are commonplace, handling not just laundry, but a host of household tasks. The potential is huge, but it does raise questions about how much automation we're ready to invite into our homes. Could robots like Digit be a blessing or a step too far? Let us know how you feel about handing over your household chores to a machine. 2 HTC Vive Focus Vision review. Virtual reality continues to push the boundaries of how we interact with digital environments, and the HTC Vive Focus Vision is the latest contender vying for the spotlight. HTC's new standalone VR headset delivers an impressive 4K visual experience, paired with enhanced spatial audio and ultra-low latency. It's lightweight, comfortable, and designed to make immersive VR accessible to a wider audience. Unlike traditional VR setups, the Vive Focus Vision doesn't require a powerful PC or smartphone to function. It's entirely self-contained, which means users can dive into virtual worlds with minimal setup. Battery life hovers around 3 hours, making it perfect for gaming, work, or even virtual collaboration. However, the real question is whether this headset can bridge the gap between VR enthusiasts and mainstream consumers. Competing with Meta's Quest 3, the Vive Focus Vision boasts superior display quality, but its higher price tag could be a hurdle. Still, it's another step toward making VR a part of everyday life, and we're excited to see where this technology goes next. Could this be the headset that finally brings VR into the mainstream? 3 drones in modern warfare. As technology evolves, so too does the art of warfare. Over Ukraine, the skies have become a theater of innovation, with drones playing a pivotal role in the conflict. These flying machines, ranging from tiny quadcopters to larger, more sophisticated models, have become essential tools for reconnaissance, communication, and even direct combat. Drones offer a level of precision that was once unimaginable. They can provide real-time intelligence, deliver targeted strikes, and even coordinate troop movements, all while keeping human operators safely out of harm's way. But this rise in drone warfare isn't without its ethical dilemmas. The autonomy granted to AI-powered drones raises concerns about accountability, especially when civilian safety is at risk. Despite these challenges, the integration of drones into military strategy is reshaping modern warfare. They're cost-effective, adaptable, and powerful, making them indispensable for nations and organizations alike. As this technology becomes more advanced, the question is not just how it will change the battlefield, but how it will influence global stability. Are we witnessing the future of conflict, or the dawn of an era where wars are fought with fewer human casualties? 4. Google Gemini, the new AI powerhouse. Artificial intelligence continues to break barriers, and Google's new Gemini AI model is a testament to that. Recently launched, Gemini has already claimed the top spot among large language models, surpassing even the most advanced systems like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Anthropic's Claude. What makes Gemini so remarkable is its ability to process and generate natural language with incredible speed and accuracy. Whether it's assisting doctors with diagnostics, helping writers craft stories, or streamlining workflows in offices, this AI is versatile enough to impact countless industries. One of the most exciting possibilities is its rumored integration into Google Workspace. Imagine Gmail that drafts smarter emails, Google Docs that writes alongside you, or Sheets that predicts and visualizes your data effortlessly. But with great power comes great responsibility, and as AI grows more integrated into our lives, it's crucial to ensure it's used ethically and responsibly. Google's entry into the AI race with Gemini sets a high bar for the competition, but it also invites us to question what role AI should play in our lives. Are we ready for machines that not only assist, but actively collaborate with us on complex tasks? And that's a wrap for this week's Tech News Saturdays. We've covered everything from laundry robots to cutting-edge VR, drones revolutionizing warfare, and AI models that are shaping the future of work and creativity. Technology continues to amaze, but it also challenges us to think about the ethical, social, and personal implications of these advancements. So what do you think? Would you trust a robot like Digit with your laundry? Is the HTC Vive Focus Vision the breakthrough VR needs? How do you feel about drones and AI playing such critical roles in our world? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, check out the community, share with someone you know, smash that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all things tech. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring this vast world of tech tomorrow.